Hi, this is Danny from DynoJet, and today we are going to show you our new sway bar quick disconnect links for the Can-Am X3, Polaris XP Turbo, and Polaris XP 1000. With our new sway bar quick disconnects, you are able to disconnect your sway bar without any tools required in a matter of seconds. Let's head out to the shop and I'll show you how these work. Sway bar disconnect link goes directly in front of the driver's side rear shock, installs in about 5 minutes. Let's go test this thing out. If you'd like to purchase our sway bar end links or any of our other products, please go to www.dynojet.com or follow the link below.